days when I'm not with you, baby.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. So it's another vlog, and guess who is behind the camera? Rachel. I will start the clip, ready to the video together. So we are currently at Landmark Event Center. We are attending a YouTube event. I've got YouTube what's the name called?
Is YouTube African Week.
We are attending YouTube African Week. So we're giving you live updates from this vlog. So thank you so much, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. I'm so sorry. I wanted to.
What's your name again?
My name is Jemima George.
Jemima.
Yes.
You now left me there.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
Thank you so much. It's nice seeing you.
Same here.
So from Instagram.
Yes.
Back camera. Are you listening?
Yes, I'm listening.
Like if you're using the back camera and then if you want to flip, you don't have to stop your video before, which is so annoying. But anyway.
You don't know the song?
No.
Ice cream, you scream, we scream for ice cream.
Which ice cream are you screaming for?
That's a song, Fowls and Buju.
The song is boring.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's not. You've not listened to it. I for Kilele, my girl. Your screen is so your camera is okay.
Mine?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Hi guys. Ice cream. Hi, I'm Rachel.
I'm also a YouTuber. Please subscribe to my channel.
Alright.
Subscribe to my channel.
Name of your channel?
Video Rachel Nabon is the name.
Baby girl, I want make our soul and feel like one. Baby girl, I want make our love and feel like one. Hold on to me tonight for life. Baby girl, I want make our soul and feel like one. Baby girl, I want make our love and feel like one. Hold on to me tonight for life. Lonely days when I'm not with you, baby. Your love keeps me warm. Unconditional reason you're number one. Your love give me something I want. You wanna give me something to feel. You wanna give me something that's real, so. When I'm not with you, baby. Your love keeps me warm. Unconditional reason I'm on.
Together for yourselves. I can see lots and lots of African creators in the media.
Oh my lord. Oh my days. Oh god.
Rachel.
created very beautiful content that we love, and they are here to share their story with you today, courtesy of YouTube, of course. So please put your hands together as I welcome to moderate this session Nigeria's YouTube lead, Shola Komi. Please put your hands together. Clap. Yeah, wow.
I think most of you have sort of interacted with the Warrior Mother, but it's really great to see you guys.
In 2010, so there's always been what I wanted. Because from my childhood, I've always been an interesting child, very much. So you don't know what type of child I'm talking to the same. You should be arranged in sort of genitalia in good school. As a matter of fact, at the time when we have dining in scholarship school, even our answer where comes to scholarship school. So at the time, because I had such great parents and they understood the fact that they needed to guide me, and my parents, when it got to the time where I needed to feed the equipment to take the class with excellence, they were very supportive. And that's why every single opportunity I have with young people, middle-aged people, I tell them it's very important that you encourage your young people to stimulate or your children what they really want to do. Because really, most people have a great support system at home. They'll be more creative. So I set out and I essentially contented and job machine. And I'm doing it and I'm loving it.
Hi guys, we just met today.
Hi. You guys, make sure you subscribe.
Yeah,
Watch this video to the end.
Yeah.
You know this.
Thank you very much.
You guys subscribe, watch to the end, watch other vlogs, okay? Stay tuned to this channel. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I didn't get the video.
But I was doing you like this now.
Hello.
My name is Jemima. Nice meeting you.
Hi, Jemima. Nice meeting you.
Thank you so much. Subscribe very important.
Please, guys, subscribe to Jemima. Please support this nonsense. Support us. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I really do appreciate it.
For the super amazing, the hot energy monster herself, Pokemon!
Hi guys, so today is Friday. Friday. I've actually not done an unboxing of what I got from YouTube. On Wednesday they had this event. I'm sure you must have watched the video, so I just wanted to unbox what I got from YouTube. And yeah, so we got this. I think everybody actually got this. I think this is Okay, this is a what's it called, a water bottle. Yeah, from YouTube. It's customized. It's actually fine, and it has this temperature check of the water, if it's cold or if it's hot on it. African parents will tell you if you want to know if the flax you got is original, just put the flax in your ears like this, on your ears. If you hear sound, that means it's original. If you understand what I'm saying, let me know in the comment section. All right, so I got this from YouTube. What else? I got a note, a jotter, that has a notepad also. Yeah, also customized YouTube. And I'm just going to treasure this because this is the first time I'll be attending a YouTube event, and first time I'll be getting this, and it's so, I don't know, I don't even know the feeling, but I'm really happy that I went because I didn't want to go because I wanted a friend of mine, Favor, yes, I wanted her to go with me, and she was like, she didn't get the invite and she doesn't want to go to abroad stuff, you know. So I was contemplating, should I go, should I not go, should I go? It was just little, like, good. But I'm glad I did because I enjoyed every bit of it. I met Taoma, I met Tomike, Olori, everyone. I met Kiki, but I was able to take pictures. I met Yechi. Hey, God have mercy. Like, I met so many amazing people, and they were so cool. They were so free. They were down on it. Like, when I requested for pictures, when I requested for videos, like, I even got hugs from them. You can imagine. I was at clips of Tomike. Like, she hugged me. All right. So what next? What else did we get? We got a pen from YouTube. Also got an AirPod. Let me not lie, I've actually opened this AirPod. I've opened this AirPod, and this AirPod is so lovely because I've used it and it lasts for so long. At first, when I saw the app, when I opened it, I started to charge it, and I was like, I'm not even sure if this AirPod will last because I've gotten so many AirPods, not 2, not 3, not even 4 or 5, and the battery doesn't last long. Maybe if I get to use it for an hour, that'll be the end. I'll just keep hearing battery low, battery low. So I was very skeptical about the AirPod. I was just like, okay, let me just try it. I charged it to 100%, and then this is a power bank also. I charged it to 100%, and I used it yesterday. Yeah, when I was coming back home, I used it. I went to the market from there. Like, this AirPod, it was more than 4 hours. What is 4 hours? Like, I used this AirPod from 12 till I got home around past 6. And I did not hear battery low or any, like, I didn't even hear any of that still. So the AirPod is quite nice, it's quality. I don't know for what that's, but this particular AirPod, YouTube, oh my God, Jesus. Oh, I actually love it. It's very nice. Let me come close so you guys will see. This is how it looks like. It's MTN Pulse is written on it. So yeah, and it's portable. You can actually carry it around. It's nice. I just like it. It came with this foam, or what do you call it, and it also came with a cord. It's a Type-C charger, not an what do you call it, it's a Type-C it's not iPhone charger or whatsoever like the other ones I've gotten. So yeah, I really like it, and I'm so happy I went for the event because I met amazing people. I also met Rachel. I met Miriam Awesu. Also, I'm going to, yeah, you shall see. I think I'll leave a link in the comment, in the description box, so you can also check out their channel. Please feel free to support them, like, support their ministry, just as Taoma said. Taoma said you should like, subscribe, comment, do all those good stuff, you know. Even Yeti also said that. So thank you so much. I think I'm going to be ending this vlog right here. It's just a day in my life that I extended to another day. So I'm just going to be ending this vlog here, and then we are going to see in the next few days. I think I'm going to be uploading more videos, like 2 times every week. Yeah, I want to start sticking to YouTube. I want to make it a conscious effort. Yeah, that's the word. So not just only vlogs, as usual, we'll still be getting our personal development content and all the good stuff, you know. So yeah, that's all for this intro. I just said, is it intro? This is not even intro. I did intro. I forgot to do intro from my house, and now I want to do it when I go to Landmark. So yeah, thank you so much if you stayed to the end. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate that you saw this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, do all the good stuff, you know. Yeah, very important. And yeah, I'm going to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Bye.